We're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, outside Nashville. Our phone number is 615-641-7720. Today we're going to be looking at the 7x14 white enclosed trailer with Blackout package. This does have the black stone guard. It's going to be 24 inches. It does have your jack, coupler, and safety chains. This does have a white screwless exterior. Has your sidewall vents. This is a tandem axle trailer. It does have two 3,500-pound axles that are greaseable with 15-inch wheels and tires. This does have brakes on the rear. Has your LED drive lights. This does have the rear loading ramp. It's made of heavy-duty plywood with the spring-assisted loading ramp. Inside, you do have the LED light strip. Plywood floors and walls. This does have your passenger entry door. Once again, this is our 7x14 white Vinos enclosed trailer with Blackout package. If you're interested in this trailer, give us a call at 615-641-7720.